Hello friends, I welcome you all in my kitchen at HealthyKadai. We have already prepared Gond ke laddu, besan laddu, coconut laddu. Today we will be making another nutritious laddu recipe specially for kids, which is Poha Laddu. These laddu taste so nice that you cannot guess that we have used poha to prepare these nutritious laddus. These poha laddus are packed with nutrients, so you can actually call it power packed laddus. In my last live session on child nutrition, I have promised you that I'll be showing you how to prepare these laddus. So let's get started. I hope you are enjoying watching our videos. Please do like our videos, share our videos with your friends and family, and do subscribe to HealthyKadai if you're not subscribed till now. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our new recipes. Firstly, we'll take 3/4 cup of poha or flaked rice. We need to dry roast it on lowest flame for 5 minutes. Do not increase the flame as poha might burn, so roast the poha on lowest flame until it becomes crispy. It will take just 4 to 5 minutes to roast it. Poha, we all know, is basically flaked rice. It is very light for our stomach, so it digests easily. Also, it is gluten free. Poha is a rich source of vitamins and minerals, so it's very healthy to consume poha. So my poha is roasted well. We'll remove it from the kadai and we'll allow it to cool down a bit. Next, we need to dry roast bhuna chana. So I have this 1/4 cup of chana. Again, we'll roast it on lowest flame for just 2 to 3 minutes because these chanas are already roasted. If you do not have bhuna chana, then you can even use chana dal. If you are using chana dal, then you need to roast it for a little more time till the rawness of the dal disappears and the dal becomes crisp. Chana, we all know, is rich source of proteins, and roasted chana is high on iron as well. Even one can consume bhuna chana in between meals when you feel like snacking on something. So having chana is really good for health. That's about it. Chanas are also roasted, so we'll remove it from the kadai and we'll allow it to cool for just 2 to 3 minutes. Then in the same kadai, we'll heat 2 tablespoons of Desi Ghee. Desi Ghee is a good source of energy. Always prefer to use homemade Desi Ghee. I've already shared the recipe of making Desi Ghee at home. Do check out the link in the description box below. And once the Desi Ghee melts, we'll fry our nuts. I've used almonds, Cashewnuts, walnuts. Once fried, we'll remove the nuts from Desi Ghee. Now we need to grind everything together to prepare material for our laddu. So firstly, I'll add our roasted poha in it. Then goes roasted or the bhuna chana. Here goes our fried nuts. I'll be grinding nuts with this mixture because kids generally have a problem that they don't like the full pieces of nuts. So we'll grind it in the mixture itself so that we get benefits of the nuts as well. And then for sweetness, we are not using sugar. Instead, we are using jaggery. I'm using 1/3 cup of jaggery. However, you can even increase the quantity to 1/2 cup depending upon the sweetness you like. Jaggery, we all know, is a rich source of iron, so include jaggery in your kids' diet. And for flavor, I'll add 1 to 2 pieces of cardamom. Now we need to grind it to prepare a fine powder. My grinding is done, so let's check it out. Lovely. We have grinded it to a fine powder form. However, you can even grind it coarsely if you like that mota laddu. Just look at the nice color. Then we simply need to add Desi Ghee in this poha laddu mixture and we'll prepare nice laddus. The amount of ghee depends upon you. You can increase the quantity of Desi Ghee to prepare these laddus. So here are my very healthy and nutritious Poha Laddus ready to serve. You can easily prepare 11 to 12 laddus using this material. The size of the laddus entirely depends upon you. Have a closer look at my Poha Laddu. These are very tasty laddu. These are power packed laddus, nutritionally rich. You have carbs, proteins, vitamins, nuts and good source of energy in these laddus. So give one laddu to your kids along with 1 glass of milk and you are done. You don't have to worry about the nutrition part of these laddus. So my laddus are ready. Let me taste it for you. It's superb. You can't guess that these laddus are made up of poha. You have to try out this recipe once to know how good these laddu taste. So try it out and let me know how does it turn out for you. So guys, if you liked our today's video, please give us a thumbs up. Share our videos with your friends and family. We'll be coming up with more such interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.